Okay.
I have no problems with that.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. So
So
let me see how I can help you today, Seema.
yes. So the first of all, my first question is about my branding. So
Okay.
I am a lasting impressions coach. Now,
Okay.
when I had this meeting with Sudhir, that discovery thing, that business model.
Ah,
So, and before that, the discovery also. So he said, okay, you can call yourself a first impressions coach,
okay.
which immediately clicked with both of us. And then I went back and I thought about it. And then I said, first impressions coach is like, I have done a soft skills course, 6 months course from
Okay.
ICBI. That was in 2019.
Hmm.
So there we had a lot about these first impressions and image and all those things. So then I said, first impressions would be very, very, I mean, it would not be very in depth. Look, it would be very superficial about the
Correct.
appearance and body language and things like that. So I would like to go more into depth. And why just a first impression? Why not make it into a lasting impression so that
Okay.
I can include a lot of components into that.
Okay.
So these said, okay, that you can do that lasting impression. So I have continued with that branding. But the thing is that when I say to any layperson that I'm a lasting impressions coach, then
Hmm.
they say, okay, so what do you do? Then I need to explain that through your verbal communications, you can scale your career, you can have exponential growth in your business and all that. So I explain it to them, and that the thing is not very catchy in the sense that it immediately does not click with them. That why lasting impressions coach. So with our own circle, I mean, with coaches and trainers and all, I have no problem. They immediately understand.
That's
But
not
for
your
the
target.
other person, yeah, they take some time to, whereas first impressions, I suppose, would be easier for them because people keep on hearing first impressions is the last impression and things like that. So they're more aware of it. But so that is my branding part. Then I discussed this again with Sudhir, and he said, call yourself a magnetic personality coach. So that would also include a lot of elements in that, how to create a magnetic personality through
So
your
who's your target
communication.
market, Seema? Who's your target market? Whom are you
So,
going to
sir,
attack?
yeah, so we had decided on entrepreneurs and professionals, mid-level professionals.
Okay, let's
So
take
now both are different,
no,
right? Yeah, like last
no,
time.
that is okay. What problem can you solve for?
Okay, so for entrepreneurs, what happens is sometimes they are from these small towns or tier two cities, and they would like to attract very well-paying clients. High network. High network is a very general term, but clients who are wealthy clients. So how to attract them? Because sometimes what happens is because of their communication problem, because of their appearance and how to present themselves, the public speaking, even
Hmm.
their leadership things, they cannot attract these kind of clients. These clients overlook them and they go to other
Tell
ones who
me,
have a
have
better.
you have you done any work with any of your clients recently? Can you?
No, so the thing is, right now I have only been working with professionals, young professionals, and the students who have now become, I mean, who have now joined corporates. So I have not
Professionals mean,
worked with entrepreneurs.
what do you mean by young professionals?
The entry level ones, they are the ones who just joined the
And
corporate
what do you
world.
teach them? What do you teach them?
So I teach them their verbal communication, non-verbal communication, even presentation skills, and how to improve their vocabulary, their pronunciation, their diction, and body language, and even their appearance. So I teach them all this, but I can also teach
By
them other
teaching that,
things which
what
I'm.
exactly, by teaching these things, what do they get actually?
Okay, so they get basically their confidence levels are increased because most of them come with that, when they join the corporate world or any other world, any other profession, their confidence level is not at a very, it's not at a, great level, and they feel that they somehow cannot adjust with their superiors, with their colleagues who are more, more put together. So that way, they feel that yes, they're English speaking skills need some improvement, their presentation skills need some improvement. So these are the things I have been
When
teaching
you say
them.
presentation skills, are you talking about a PowerPoint presentation or?
A PowerPoint presentation plus the way they present themselves, their presence itself. For example, they need to have an executive presence, right? So they need to have a very powerful and a commanding presence so that people listen to them. So all those things also are lacking in my students, in my clients. So basically, it has to do a lot with their confidence mindset also.
So when
So
you give
when they
all these things, they will have an amazing charisma in them. Am I right in saying?
Yes, yes, yes. Charismatic personality. Yes.
Basically, you are helping them to become a charismatic personality
Mhm.
so that
Yeah.
either their confidence will go up so that they will get more income in their career, they'll
Yes.
become better in their job, their mindset change.
And they will be able to speak up. Sometimes they are very, very introverted and they don't like to speak up. So how is it that they get confidence to speak up with their colleagues and with their superiors also?
Understood.
So
So,
that also there.
and the same, you really want to, the same skills, the same know-how,
Mm-hmm.
you want to
Mm-hmm.
help a tier two business owner
Yeah.
who thinks that, oh no, from a very small town. I don't know how to
Yeah.
communicate. I know I'm a little shy in presentation. So I'm
Yeah.
always getting only low paying clients. How can I get a high
Yes.
paying client? So can I change the way in which I present? Is that what
Yes.
you're thinking in your mind?
Yeah, these are the things in my mind, and because they are lacking in their English speaking skills also. Because especially in the north, when they're coming from smaller cities, their English is not so fluent. So when they come to the metros and all, and when they are talking to these high network clients, then they need to have that communication skills. Yeah,
Uh,
so that is also there.
Now,
So,
I will give you a title. See whether this can fit into the content that
mhm,
you're teaching as a charismatic presentation coach.
okay.
Because what you're doing,
Uh,
you're helping them in their whole presentation, thereby their
mhm,
charismatic, their magnetic attraction or charisma, their energy,
mm,
everything goes up. Instead of
okay.
saying communication coach, people should not think you are a communication trainer.
Right,
You're
right,
going to
right.
you're going to teach everything overall on their presentation, their internal and external presentation.
Yes,
Uh,
yes.
I thought of telling you confidence coach, but then people will think, oh, why should I go to a confidence coach? Then it means I don't have confidence. They don't want to tell to other
Yeah, yeah.
people.
And we have one, yeah, we have one confidence coach in Vaishali.
Ah,
So I don't know, she's only for men, I think. She's only for men.
men's confidence.
And I
How
don't
about
know how it's going for her, but
that's okay. Now,
hmm.
again, target market is different. How do you think? Do you think by telling that my name is Seema Sahai, I'm a charismatic presentation coach, help you to win high paying clients?
Okay, but high paying clients meaning what? That also has to be defined.
High paying clients by enhancing your presentation styles, or you can say presentation style
Okay.
coach, or just to say that I'm your presentation style coach. I'm
Mm-hmm.
your
Okay.
presentation, or I'm your sales presentation coach if you want. Okay. Basically, you're telling that I will
Okay.
help you to present yourself better. Is that what
Mm-hmm.
you're telling? That
Through your communications. Yeah, yeah. Okay.
obviously presentation,
So,
it involves the internal communication that you're doing within you and the verbal diction
yeah,
and the materials that you're using to
diction.
present.
Okay, okay.
See,
Okay.
you are the material, for example.
So yeah, so that would include etiquette also because I teach etiquette as well,
Absolutely. So
and body
everything can
language,
come and you
all
can
these.
actually box everything into that presentation topic, right? Everything can come in a layer. You start
Hmm.
here with your internal
Right,
presentation,
right.
then with your vocabulary, change your language, and then you can say, now you want to go and present in front of your client. So for that, your appearance matters a lot, your etiquette matters a lot. And if you are
Yeah,
presenting through a visual aid,
yeah.
what kind of visual aid are you using? Is it PowerPoint or is it a brochure? How do you do the sales presentation? How do you sit? How do you talk? Everything matters. Am I right in saying? Is that what your
Um,
expertise is?
yeah, Yes, yes. That is what I mean. It includes all these things which I do teach. Yes. So, sir, will it? Is it very? Do you think that is it very superficial? Should I go deeper into it? And will it attract these entrepreneurs whom I am targeting when I present myself like this?
If you are going to attract only entrepreneurs, then you need to address their pain point.
Yeah, yeah.
What is their
Mhm.
pain point? You have to think that way. Okay. See, these are all the knowledge and know-how you have. Okay. Now, with this
Mm-hmm.
know-how, okay, what problem of an entrepreneur can I solve? And you know, I know that an entrepreneur
Am I
needs.
solving?
See, as a professional expert, you know that the entrepreneurs, if they present themselves in a better way, they can close
Yeah.
deal better. They can close deals faster.
Yes.
You
Yes.
may know it,
Yes.
but how do they know?
Mm-hmm.
For that only your branding, your YouTube channel, your Facebook, everything matters, and you have to talk only to entrepreneurs. The whole marketing, your branding, and everything is for an entrepreneur. Okay, how can you
Okay.
how can you close a sale faster?
Yes.
Your whole
But then I have no experience with entrepreneurs. That is also there.
that is
See,
okay. That
I
is
have
okay.
always been into teaching.
That is
Mhm.
okay. You can start with it. You can start right now. Okay.
Okay.
Helping a couple
Okay.
of small business owners, professionals, chartered accountants, lawyers, and such kind of people. You can think
Yeah.
and see how you can help them in their communication, in their presentation, the way in which they
Okay.
present. Okay. So probably you can do a role playing session with them. Okay. Think I am your customer. Present it to me. How do you close the deal?
Okay.
Can you change this word?
Yeah.
Can you
Yeah.
present this way? So that's more like a one-to-one coaching you will be doing then personally. Or,
Yeah. Yeah.
or,
So at
or probably the entrepreneur will always have one or two sales people in their company. They struggle in this presentation.
Mhm. Yes. Yes.
So can you help
Yes.
their team members also to speak effectively?
Okay. Okay, that I can do. So that is one target audience, and the next target audience is professionals. So, should I target mid-level professionals or the entry-level professionals? Which one should I target? Because
Entry level doesn't have
I
money.
mean,
Entry level doesn't have money.
yeah, mid doesn't have any money. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Where
So
is the
that is
money?
what
They
because
don't have money and all to spend for themselves. Okay.
yeah.
Middle level, yes, they are the most struggling lot, and the higher level, they always think that they already know, but very few people will, they
So they will not.
preference and all these things. So middle level is a better one to focus
Yeah.
upon. But again, what will you teach?
Okay.
Again, what will you teach them?
Again, the same things because I can just teach them non-verbal and verbal communication. Again, how to present themselves and how to have team building and all that because they'll be working in an office. So have a kind of a team spirit and things like that. And yeah,
So
that is all.
you are going to do it as an open workshop where they will come and pay and attend, or is it through a corporate HRs? The whole business model of that.
No, open workshops. They would do it privately. They don't have to do it through the office. So for that, I'll have a webinar, and I mean, webinar would be that kind of a lead magnet or whatever. And
What
then
is
from
the
there, I will be
Now,
acquiring.
what will be their problems? Okay, I understood. You want to attract the mid-level man.
Sometimes because of their lack of communication skills, they are stuck in their careers and, they don't get promoted very fast. Whereas other people who are more aware of their communication skills and all that, they get promoted fast. And sometimes they don't get along with people around them. So all these things, and also I think the way they present themselves, basically. Yeah. So
See,
that is
again,
what I was thinking.
we only have to tell like that, but they will never know that because I am not able to present, okay, I am not
Hmm.
getting promotion. Okay,
I'm not getting.
they will
Okay.
never think
Yeah.
that way at all. For them, that is not at all a
Yeah.
problem. Okay? You are going
Hmm.
to attack them. If you are going to attract only those kind of audience, then what do they need? Ask yourself, what is their need in Maslow's theory of needs?
Yeah, yeah,
In the
yeah,
human
yeah.
need psychology, what do they need is stability.
Yes.
It's the security of the job is what they are actually looking out for. Okay. So if you
True,
say that I
true.
am Seema Sahai, I am a job security coach. I will ensure
Okay.
you secure your job. Okay. Now everyone wants to know how the hell you help me.
Yeah, very catchy. Yeah. Yes.
Then
Okay.
they will listen to you because you will now tell them all the problems that they are facing and connect everything back to the way they are communicating to themselves, how they are communicating to their colleagues, how they are communicating to their boss, how they can convince them. So everything can be connected back to communication over there.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Does that make
Yes.
sense?
It does make sense. Yes. This
It's a
makes
very
sense.
big market, a very big market. Okay, where
Mm-hmm.
but again, see, remember, if the minute you call yourself as a job security coach, you have to let go of the entrepreneur market.
Yeah, yeah, that's fine. Yeah, yeah. That is,
This
I
much.
mean, I can't cater to both simultaneously. That I understood. Yeah. And especially on the last flame workshop, I could understand that, yes, I cannot target both the audiences together. Yes.
So
Yeah.
this is another way. And when you say job security coach, interestingly, even the lower segment also will join you. It
The
doesn't
younger professionals. Yes, yes.
also will come because they also want job security and job stability. So that is another methodology of telling them and attracting them into your webinar. Once you say that I'm giving you jobs, I can teach you how to secure your job. That's my
Yes.
job for you. So there are a lot of things that you can teach them: the psychology and communication, the presentation, public speaking. Everything can be brought.
Leadership. Yeah.
Everything you can actually
Yeah.
bring everything because the word job security is a catchy.
Yes. Yes. Does it involve any sales training as such? Not really.
No need because they're not selling. No, basically they're
They are
not.
not selling, they're working. Yeah. So,
They're all
okay.
working class professionals,
Yes.
and all they need is probably for the younger professionals, you may even teach interviewing clearing technique. How do I do speaking in group discussion? How do I do an interview? How do I even prepare my resume? Okay. Those
Yeah.
are some
Yeah.
added bonuses you can give it to them. Okay.
Okay.
If
Yeah.
you know how to prepare a resume or maybe a basic template, and you can say that, you know what, sign up today. I'll teach you how to create an amazing CV for you free.
Yes. Yes.
So that job market will get attracted to these because these are the pain points.
Yeah. Yeah.
They
Yeah.
don't know how to attract a high paying company, high
Mm-hmm.
salary company. Okay, so these are all keywords. If you can use in your presentation, they will get attracted because these are all something they're thinking. Okay, will I my job will be secured or not? How can I convince the other company to offer me this job? I want a higher
Yeah.
salary. How do I
Mm-hmm.
negotiate on a higher salary?
Mm-hmm.
So you can actually layer in flame itself all these
Yeah.
topics.
Then I can teach them negotiation skills also. That can also be incorporated in this. Yeah.
Correct. Correct.
Because I mean I have knowledge about all this and because of my soft skills, so all these things are there,
So
so I
instead of
can.
saying soft skills, okay, see, soft
Yeah.
skills is a very generic word. When someone says,
No, yeah, for my clients I would not be using that term, but just for myself, yeah, since
correct.
I have a knowledge of
But
that.
there are many trainers, they call themselves as soft skills coach.
Soft
No
skills
one is
trainer.
searching for a soft skill, right? No one
No,
searches,
no,
I
no.
want to develop soft skills. No one looks for that, no?
They want there something, some pain to be addressed, and soft skills will not address that pain for them.
Correct.
Yeah. Okay. Yes.
If you think this model will suit your talents, your passion,
Yes. Yes.
it's a very big market. The reason why I'm just telling you is I have a very good friend by name Savan Kapoor. Okay.
Okay.
Savan has worked as a CEO of large companies and then he started his coaching in Jan 2020.
Okay. Yeah.
Until date, he has already crossed 1.5 crores of income just by
Wow.
teaching job market audience how they can get a very good job just by teaching them. That's it.
Mm. And what does he teach in that? How to get a very good job, meaning all these resumes, interview skills, and all those things.
Whatever you are teaching, only you want to teach. Nothing else.
Okay.
But they spent lots of money on marketing.
On
Okay.
marketing. Okay.
Maybe 25, 30 lakhs you would have spent on marketing and Facebook leads alone. And then the funnel, the whole funnel, he created an automated online courses and then got them into a free webinar, offer them something for level 1 and then the level 2 and then the mastermind level 3. It's the same process. Everyone,
Yeah.
it means there's a huge requirement is there. Okay?
Yes. People are confused and they want some systematic guidance there. Yeah.
And if someone says, you know what, I don't want a job, can you help me on an entrepreneur? Yeah, you can say that, you know what, I have another coach in my team who can help you.
Okay.
It means you can actually say, for example, someone says, I want to start business from home. Okay. So you can say, no problem. I'll connect you to Preeti Muzumdar, work from home. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
In our community, we have everyone. We can immediately.
We have everyone. Yeah. So this is
start a business also parallelly. Can you help? You say, no problem. I'll connect you to Guna, who's a startup coach. Guide you also. So,
okay. Yeah.
in our community itself, you have varieties of coaches. So you don't have to let go at the end of it. So you can continuously keep on adding more layers in your membership community. Probably at the end of it, your Elite service can have a membership process and you can bring in them as the speakers and give value to them. And all these things can be done if you.
And then you just take a percentage from them. That is how it works.
Many models are there. Either you can you can either work on an affiliate model with them,
right.
Because you are giving them your students to them.
Clients,
so work on an affiliate marketing model.
Yeah.
Or you pay them a small fee or a percentage fee or any fee, and they give it to your students.
Okay.
But I will always suggest you that you take an affiliate fee and
pass on the clients to
that's another model. But again, it's all about if you are very clear on the job security as your.
No, this sounds very attractive, and this includes all the things which I can teach. You know, I'm very confident of teaching all this. So with entrepreneurs, I have never worked. You know, I mean, just because Sudhir told me that you should target them, I said, okay, fine, I'll go ahead. But with this kind of an audience which you are telling me, I'm very confident of doing it.
Now, how will you write a flame for this model?
A flame for this model. So free product is all my YouTube videos and my podcast, and I have also done a lot of remember we had that interview hackathon. So I have done a lot of these interviews with leaders in their own field, so all the big leaders and whoever has achieved something. So that can be clubbed together, and that can be offered as something inspirational, something that inspires them, something leadership qualities that can be developed in them. So that can be offered there. Then my podcast is to do with communications and confidence, and basically it is centering around confidence building and various kinds of communication. So till now I'm doing that as my podcast, and YouTube videos again is how to create a magnetic personality. So this is what I had been doing. But I can add,
you need to only talk to only that audience then. That means everything related to work atmosphere, all your stories, all your examples, everything has to come only from corporate multinational company working culture and atmosphere. So you can add that layer in all your communication, then you're directly attracting only that kind of people watching.
Audience.
All your communication has to go that way.
Okay, so what are the pain points of working in this kind of a corporate atmosphere?
Corporate company, Seema?
No, I have not. In fact, I have worked as an editor of a magazine, and that was for 7 years. So you can call that a corporate. I don't know.
You worked in a company, right? You worked as an editor.
Yeah, it was a company. Yes,
it was a media company. Basically, I worked in a media company then.
Yeah, very much so.
You already worked in a corporate world.
Yeah. It is. And so I have worked there, and I know what kind of, how to,
the pressure that happens in a media company is very high. Deadline pressure.
Yeah, true. So that I have worked there, so I can give examples from there. Plus, I have been, you see, I have been teaching in various colleges and universities, but I've also been an admin in the sense that I have been the head of the department. So there, it's not just teaching, it's also dealing with people and dealing with all kinds of your superiors as well as students. So all those things can come in handy, I suppose.
Absolutely.
So
So that's a very
yeah,
good exposure of dealing with people. Basically, it's all about people. Okay.
it's all about
Work
people.
with people. If it's you worked in an institution as a head of the department, you worked as a editor for a media company
Hmm.
for magazine. So that already you have that experience with you.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
You have that
yeah.
authenticity and the
Oh
story.
yes, I know the nitty-gritties and the politics that goes into, because many people get, there's so much of politics in these kind of places, right? So that is, I mean, I would not say that overtly, but yeah, that also pulls back the confidence of certain people. They get very disheartened and,
Correct.
they don't get the promotions and things like that. So that also can
These are
be.
all the pain points you're going to address. That's it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. Okay. So for the free one, as you said, the flame model, which we had made that day, the other day, and that day I was not very clear about my target audience. Today I am. So as you said, I mean, my YouTube, my podcast, my interview sessions, all of these can be clubbed and offered as a free product,
Correct.
right? And then for the lead, I would be doing the webinar specifically for this kind of audience.
A free
So
webinar you can do.
free webinar.
Free
Yeah.
webinar, you can attract them into your free webinar. Okay. And
Okay.
what will
And then free webinar, ebook, and those things
just the free webinar is also okay. Just do a
is
free
also,
webinar, bring them
yeah.
in, and what will be your A? How will you acquire them?
Acquisition would
What's a
be
small product that you can give and sell?
hmm. Ebook is not a very good idea. The ebook is a free thing actually. Yeah. A small product would be a workshop, perhaps. Workshop
A
for 3 days,
say, for example, a 3 hour workshop on Zoom.
3 hour workshop, or 3 days WhatsApp course or something
You
like
can
that.
actually do an acquisition, say like a 7 day WhatsApp course with the last day
Mhm.
with a 3 hour workshop, 6 days in WhatsApp, and seventh day in a 3 hour workshop with me.
With on Zoom, right?
Yeah, bring everyone together, and
Yeah, yeah.
it means every week you can run one workshop like this.
Yes, yes. And I was thinking that towards the end, like what you said, 3 hour workshop, then they can present, I will be teaching them how to present confidently. And then they can, one by one, they can also present maybe a 5 minutes, presentation, a public
That will
speaking or
be the
something.
next level for you. Don't teach too much on one.
Okay, okay. Not in A.
That'll be too
Okay.
much.
Okay, fine, fine, fine.
They will not take action.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so they will struggle a lot in taking action. So that can be in the next level. You don't have to offer everything in the 3 hour workshop itself because it's going to be a very small value, like 499,
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
999 maximum. Okay, that's all you
yeah.
can offer.
Okay.
Then from there, you need to take them to your main program.
To the main program. Yeah. So main program, again, online course is there, will be there, the main program,
Be
which we
online
are going
live
to.
course, right? Is it going to be an online live course or just a recorded videos?
I don't know if I can do live course every day. I mean, sir, if I have to do a live, how long should it be? How many days should it be?
It
Because
doesn't matter how many days, even okay, forget the whole online world. Okay, just imagine in Delhi,
okay.
everyone are roaming around everywhere, and you're calling everyone for a 2 day live workshop from morning 9 to 5.
Oh yes, 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 yes. That is fine. That is good. That is good.
First, you
Yeah.
design everything in the offline world, how it works, and call
Mm-hmm.
everyone. But again, the only challenge is if you're going to do a live webinar, people
Yeah.
come from any part of the country and they can't come for a live workshop.
No, they can't.
So
Yeah.
then the whole workshop has to be again online.
It has to be online. Yeah.
You're
Yeah.
doing it offline, only from Delhi you can attract. No one else outside Delhi can come. Okay? But if it's online, anyone in the whole world can come and attend.
Yeah, yeah. And it is more paying also, na? So many people are attending, so I can charge so many
You
people
can
that
actually
way
have more
also.
people inside the room. And hotel, when you do, half the money goes to the hotel, not to you.
Yeah, yeah, that is true.
Banquet hall will take half the
And
money.
when are we going to start? I think it will not be before 6 months. These live things, especially in Delhi. I don't think
Already
before
all the
six
hotels
months.
are already doing it.
Are they doing it? Okay, okay.
All the
No,
matches are happening in every hotel now. Okay,
yeah.
but I think, but again, don't restrict yourself only to the offline world. When it's online, when you're comfortable with online,
Yeah.
the whole country is at with you now, right now. So you don't have to worry about just Delhi. The whole world is there.
Whole world is there. Exactly.
So
Yeah.
you can run a 2-day workshop online.
Okay. Okay.
9:30 to 1:30. Day one,
Mm-hmm.
9:30 to 1:30, Saturday, Sunday. Just fix up Saturday, Sunday.
Mm-hmm.
Because they're all working professionals. So obviously, they can't do that. Another methodology is 4 Sundays. I will teach you half a day.
Yeah.
That means
Yeah.
all the Sundays you can fix.
Okay.
So
Mm-hmm.
every Sunday from morning 9 to 1 o'clock, for example, 9:30 to 1:30,
Mm-hmm.
4 week module with assignments in between. You can package it and sell it for say 7,999 or 9,999.
Yeah. Yeah. And it would include a little bit of everything, all the elements.
Now you choose
Yeah.
4 themes, 4 Sundays, 4 themes. And
Okay.
the last day
Okay.
is more like a graduation for them where they can present or anything like that.
Hmm. Hmm.
And then
Hmm.
from there, you actually create one more elite service. Okay, 12 weeks of coaching.
Yeah.
I might
Yeah.
join my 12 weeks mastermind learning implementation program, 90-day, 12 weeks, and you charge them 19,000 or 29,000.
Okay. So in the elite, then if I have taught everything in the main program, then what am I going to teach in the elite in the 12 weeks? Even go deeper into that? Because
In
one
4 weeks,
suggestion
what
was
do you
that
think? In 4 weeks, what do you think you can teach them?
4 week I can teach them about leadership skills, and I can teach them about the verbal skills, non-verbal skills, presentation skills,
By the
and
end of the
public
4 week,
speaking.
don't think that, think the other way around. By the end of the 4th week in your course,
Yeah.
what problem will you solve?
They will be able to get up confidently, speak their mind, and give a short presentation of at least 5 minutes.
Excellent. So your whole 4 weeks is all about only presentation skills then?
But first, the confidence building has to come in, otherwise, they won't be able to present.
Yeah, that will be your week one curriculum.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Confidence. How do you build your confidence? That's your week one curriculum. Week two
Okay.
curriculum is predominantly going to be presentation. How do you present? How do you
Public speaking, yeah.
template on presentation? Okay.
Yes,
And then the
yes.
3rd week, you will teach them something they have to do homework. 4th week, they come and present to you.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That's it. And rest of the all the things will come in your 12-week program.
Okay, yeah.
You can't teach too many things. They have to feel confidence. If you think that the first level is all about your confidence building, level one,
Mm-hmm.
confidence building. That's it.
So appearance and all, I will not teach them at all at that level. I mean,
Other than that, yeah, it will not. You say that if you really want to go deeper into this and then come to my 12-week
12 week.
program, where
Okay.
all the other things are also covered in that, where you will learn everything.
Okay. So that becomes the elite program, the 12-week one. And
Correct.
there also I can offer them one-to-one coaching
That's
kind of stuff.
after elite program.
Oh, after that. Okay.
Ultra elite, one-to-one
Okay,
coaching.
okay, okay, okay. So that will be like a personal,
One-to-one.
one-to-one and always available for that client, things like that.
Again, one-to-one coaching, you design a 4 to 6 weeks module. Okay, 6 weeks is
Mm-hmm.
an ideal time for you to personally work with someone in changing their attire, their personality, their tone, everything. And you
Diction, pronunciation, vocabulary, everything.
a
Yeah.
6 weeks program. It's a very personalized coaching to
Yes.
personally 1 hour a week. But I'm always available on WhatsApp. Talk to me. So 6 weeks.
So
Or
that
again,
would be, yeah.
again 6 weeks or 12 weeks. You need to keep a module that way.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
You need to be flexible according to the type of the person who are coming into your community.
Yes. Yes.
You
Okay.
need to have everything: 4 weeks module, 6 weeks one-to-one coaching, 12 weeks one-to-one coaching.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
you will not know, because for the first 1 or 2 weeks it's more like understanding the client's problem,
Mm.
making them even aware that this is your problem.
Mm-hmm. True.
That's
True.
what happens in the first 2 weeks of one-to-one coaching.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So then we can customize as we go along, and So, sir, another thing about the online course I wanted to ask you, I wanted to make it a bit interactive. For example, like I'm teaching them about their pronunciation and diction and how to speak and all that. So, how does one make it interactive if it is not live, if it is only recorded? Is it possible?
If it's going to be only recorded, you can just shoot
Yeah.
video and upload it in Facebook. That's it, or YouTube. They can just learn it from your pronunciation.
Okay, okay. So they will just watch it, but they will not be able to, I mean, I will not be able to guide them about it.
That's your one-to-one implementation. No?
Okay, that comes later on.
See,
Okay,
that personalized support is that implementation is what you can charge them. Okay, knowledge
mm,
given for free.
okay, okay.
But we know that 97% struggle in implementation, and that is where you go ahead and help them. And uh, once they change their whole perspective, that's where you are billing them. That's where they are ready.
Yeah, yeah. And in any of these levels, should I include health and fitness also somewhere? That mindset, because I don't know, does it fit into the scheme of
Will it
things?
really fit in for them? Is a question that you have to ask.
Yeah.
The front end, will it fit? Or if you want, see, in the back end, you can fit anything.
Yeah.
In the back end, you can
True.
fit anything because they've already
Yeah.
trusted you, they've already paid you, they are ready to follow you. Whatever you say, they will do it.
Yeah. Yeah.
But in the
Yeah.
front end, you can't do any of those things.
You can't do, because when I was discussing this with Sudhir, then he said you have to show them the money mindset. They need to develop the money mindset, otherwise they will not come to you, because everyone at the end of the day, everyone wants to make money, right?
Correct.
So include something, some course or some bonus which will make them think that okay, after doing this, I will be able to earn a lot of money. So then. So then how do I go about it? Should that course be there in front end? You are saying no, don't include it. So should it be
No,
there
it's
in
health
the,
and wellness. Health is not part of the money making.
not health, the money mindset I'm saying. Yeah, the money
Yeah,
mind.
for a job seeker, what is going to give them money?
Have a good job and getting better prospects at
More
jobs also.
promotions, more
Yeah,
more
more
income.
promotions, better, yeah, offers, how to get better job offers and all those.
So probably you
So
can create an online course which you can give it for free.
free, okay.
You
Mm-hmm.
create a record an online course on how you can actually get more increment this year,
Yeah.
how you
Mm-hmm.
can get your promotions faster.
Okay,
You
okay.
create your own online recorded course and you say the value of the recorded course is 7,999 rupees. You register for my workshop. I will give that to you for free.
Okay, okay. At the webinar, I can just give it to them. Okay.
Yeah, because you're doing that sales webinar, you can say that you will
Yeah.
register for my workshop and I will give that to you for free.
Mm-hmm.
So they don't have any problem in signing up for your online course and they get a free uh, online course. Okay. You are asking them to attend your live workshop, but you're saying that you register today and I will give you an online course which you can watch any number of times.
Yes.
That will help you to get promotions faster.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
But
Yes, that
I don't know
can
the
be done.
contents of that, but I'm just telling you if money is their focus is
Yeah.
promotion.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So the first thing I should do is first thing, of course, improve my this free product in the sense podcast, YouTube's, Facebook Lives, things like that. That should be my first focus,
Correct.
and then go for the webinar because I have a Facebook group also, and that is a very active group, and people are there, and they would be joining my webinar if I tell them to. So
The
if I tell
audience
them.
are there in the Facebook group. Is it job market professionals or women?
Entrepreneurs, not so much, yeah, but they're all young people in the age group of about 25 to 35.
Excellent.
And yeah, some of them are working from home, some of them are in the job market, they're working, some of them are professionals. So it's a mixed kind of a group.
That's
So
okay.
because all these were my students, and I had taught them in college, and now they've all grown up,
Hmm.
and now they're like 25, 30 years old now. So
Yeah.
they're all working. Most of them are working, and if they're not working, then they're doing something from home.
Mm-hmm.
So they can be attracted into the webinar. Webinar, they will definitely come. So from there, they have to be taken.
For the first webinar, they will come, but you will be repeating the same thing again and again. Okay, what will you do for
Yes.
the second webinar?
Yeah.
Who will come for your fifth webinar? Who will come for the 10th webinar?
Yeah. Exactly.
As
Yeah.
the first webinar, they will come because it's new.
Welcome. Mm-hmm.
How will they come continuously is a question you have to ask.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Who will come? How will you get those people into your webinar?
So their friends and their the networking has to be expanded, I think.
Correct.
Mhm.
See, in a Facebook group, there is one kind of interaction. From there, you need to filter out and take them into your fort, into your area.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
So you need to bring them into any one place where you can continuously talk to them and build that list. If you think
Mhm.
Facebook group is a very good place, you can do that. Again, too much of moderation is required. And then
Yeah.
if you open
Mhm.
it for everyone to share, then everyone starts promoting.
Yes, 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 yes. Yeah, so I think a separate one, a separate group, maybe a WhatsApp group needs to be made,
Hmm.
thing like that, and then they can. Yeah, but then as you said that, okay, for one or two webinars, I can attract these people, but later on what? So for that, yeah, for that, I have to look around.
So for that, you need to spend Facebook leads, Facebook advertisement you can spend. And I think since your market is working professional, you should spend more time on LinkedIn, not on Facebook.
Mm-hmm.
Because that is
Okay.
where the job market is sitting there, right? All the people who wants job are sitting in LinkedIn, not in Facebook.
Right, right, right,
That
right.
means every day you can post a video in LinkedIn, write an article about the importance of communication and with respect to jobs and careers and promotions. You can do that.
Okay. Hmm.
So start sharing a lot of ideas on how they can get a good job, how they can present themselves better, and
And how they can make a resume.
yeah.
Yeah.
So from there, you need to pull them in to your WhatsApp course or your
Okay.
email
Oh,
course or probably a webinar. It can be anything. See,
okay.
always you need to have three different
Mm-hmm.
methodology to
Mm-hmm.
fill your 4 weeks program.
Okay.
Create a
Okay.
calendar for 2021. Okay, the whole
Mm-hmm.
2021, you create a every month one level 2 workshop. Your program, your main program.
The main program.
Your main program. So, for example, if 4 weeks course is your main program, for example,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
or it can be even say, for example, it's your acquisition program. Okay,
Okay.
it's an
Yeah.
acquisition program, for example. The whole
Yeah.
year, plan 12 sessions, 12 courses.
Okay.
Means
Okay.
all the 12 Sundays or 12 Saturdays, you fix it up.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And then you also decide on how frequently in 2021 you can do a 12-week module, a main program of yours. Probably
Right.
how many times you can offer a 12-week program? Maybe
Mm.
because it's 3 months, right?
It's 3 months and it's not recorded, right? So
It's a live course. Yes,
it's
live.
a live course. Yeah. So
So probably you can offer 4 times a year.
yeah, maximum. Yes, yes.
No, you can actually do more also, but I'm just telling you.
Okay, okay.
You can actually do more number of batches also, but at least to have a cap first time you're doing it. Say, for example, you plan 4 batches for your main program, your level
Mm-hmm,
2 main program. Okay.
mm-hmm.
And then your allied service is going to be your one-to-one personalized coaching. So
So that would be a few people.
acquisition is your 4 week program.
Yeah, yeah.
Your main program can be your 12 weeks
12 week.
implementation program,
Yes.
and your elite is a one-to-one coaching service.
And that goes on depending on what they require.
One-to-one is, yeah. So your whole money is going to come from your
Yeah,
main program and elite service.
yeah, 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 yeah.
So you first decide, okay, for elite service, say for example, 12 weeks. If you need that
Hmm.
minimum 12 weeks is required for anyone to go through a coaching, because that's the first question they will ask you. How much time will it take for me to become better? So
Yeah, yeah.
say for example, 1 quarter, 12 weeks. Okay, 12 weeks of
Okay.
45 minutes each, 1 hour each.
One.
You need to fix a
Yeah.
rate for that.
Yeah, yeah, of course.
How much do you think you can charge?
10,000? I don't know. Is it too low?
Is it per session?
Per session. Or is it too high?
12 session means 1.2 lakhs, correct?
Yeah, so or maybe a little less. I really don't know. But 1 hour, if I'm giving, then I should be charging something like that, shouldn't I?
So it means
Yeah.
it's a 1.2 lakh process, a product that you're creating. Okay. Now you have to
Yes.
ask yourself, what kind of a guy will spend 1.2 lakhs?
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
That means what will be his income?
True. Yes. And definitely not a young professional. He will definitely not be a young professional because they would not like to spend that much on themselves at this point of time.
Correct. So,
Yeah.
so that's what, see, again, see, from that's the reason always you should begin with the end in the mind. If
Yeah.
you want
Yeah.
that kind of your students in your whole, at the end, filtered student,
Mm.
in the whole way you're going to present is for that kind of an audience.
Yes. Yes.
Even if you get 10 people in a year, 1% per month you get, you're talking about 12, 13 lakhs only from
Mm.
one coaching.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's just 10 people in the whole year. And 10 people you're talking about from the whole world.
Whole world. Yeah. I mean, I mean, contain yourself to India, no? So that should
You
not be a
think
limitation.
10 people can sign up for your one-to-one coaching?
In a year, yes. I don't know. I think so. I think so because I have a friend in one of these Facebook groups, and she once told me that why don't we join together? She's from Australia, and she is she does presentations and things. And she has her own Facebook group, so we met there only, and she said, "I would like to collaborate with you." Now, this is another thing I wanted to ask you. Now, what should I collaborate on? I know about communication, and she wants to collaborate on that only. So maybe if we both of us get together, then we can have her audience, the Australian audience.
But does she
So
have that audience, first of all? Okay, question is this, okay? Or is she seeking for audience from you?
from me, okay, maybe, yeah, yeah. So we have a meeting lined up. I don't know.
So first you
So
find out what kind of,
yeah,
see, when someone says collaborate, it's nothing but sharing audience, okay?
yes,
But
yes.
do they have an audience which can suit your target market?
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm,
So
mm-hmm.
how you can collaborate and work. Again, ultimately, it's all about collaboration. What kind of collaboration, how you can share your clientele, all these things matters a lot.
Matter a
But now
lot,
only
yeah.
you are getting little more clear on your whole flame itself.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And in the Southeast Asian market, like you have these from people from Vietnam, people from Thailand. So they want to learn communications and they want to improve their fluency and English speaking. So if somehow I could target that audience, then they would be able to pay the kind of money which I need.
Your whole topic, title, everything will change, no? Because you're
Yeah,
asking different
yes,
target audience.
yes, 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 yes. True. Yeah, so it's not a job seekers. No, no. Job security.
Language coaching, basically it's an English language coaching, so that they can win contracts, they can do communicate with their customers overseas, outside their country, and they're ready to close the deal, because they want to know English. Okay, it's a very big market again, but
Mm.
you need to position yourself not to India,
Mm.
positioning is to Vietnam.
That can come at a later stage. The different target audience and a different course will come at a later stage. But yeah, right now I can just begin with this job security thing which you have
Even if you
suggested.
think that 1.2 lakhs people are ready to pay, even if they are attending for 4 sessions, still it's a good money, 40,000 a month.
It is. Yes, 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 yes. Or I mean, if they are not ready at all, then I mean, let's say 8,000 is also not very bad. So
Nothing but
yeah,
it's up to you how much you want to give discount to them. You can tell my fees is 10,000 per session.
yeah, yeah.
I am okay to give you a 50% discount if you are signing up for 4 weeks together.
Right, right, right,
And
right.
every month we will renew our contract. It can be a renewable contract.
Okay,
So
yeah.
that means 20,000 a month. So So these are the ways in which you can plan and think. Okay, so you have to think like that. Okay, if I need someone like that who's ready to pay even 20,000 for a month coaching with me, that means that person is already having a job. He's ready to spend that money for his job security and growth and promotion in his company. So obviously he's having a very good CTC, 10, 12 lakh CTC. He's already getting it. He's ready to put that money because he wants to jump to 24 lakhs.
Yes. And these are the kind of people who are there in these smaller cities, maybe not in Delhi and Bombay, but in the smaller cities, they have this and they want to learn all these kind of things. So that could be my target.
That means from your 12-week live workshop, group workshop, you need to upsell a one-to-one coaching.
Yes. Yes. At that stage itself, I will be upselling. Yeah.
Always it's upselling everywhere. You are 4 weeks. In 4 weeks, you will be upselling.
12 weeks. Yeah. Yeah.
And from 12 weeks, you can upsell a one-to-one coaching. That's it. See, you can start from this model if you are comfortable in this business model, in this process, and allow it to evolve. If you do one round, one full, okay, right from lead magnet, your 4 weeks of coaching, from there you do an upsell of your 12 weeks, and from there you do a one-to-one coaching upsell. This is called one round.
Yes. Yeah. So
only when you do one round, you will exactly know what pain area you are ready to solve, and you will really be surprised after one round that you have added too much value.
Oh, okay. Because we like to give, in the beginning, everyone likes to give so much. Yeah.
You will understand that little later after you do 1 or 2 rounds. You will realize, okay, I can actually still thin it down, slim it down. Okay, it's not about the knowledge, it's all about them implementing. Okay, can I make it a little more lighter and lighter and lighter? You will make it more lighter after that.
Okay. Yeah. So, sir, in this kind of a model which we have discussed, then we don't need to have an online thing. I mean, like TLC has level 1, level 2. So, do I need?
No, your acquisition is level 1, your main program is level 2, and level 3.
But these are all 4 weeks and 12 weeks. So, these are all live.
See, Seema, this is what you have to understand. When we started at that time, the online recorded course market was very big.
Very big and new also. Yeah.
New also. But now what we are seeing is people in India predominantly, they don't want recorded courses.
Yeah. They are bored with it. Right.
So you can create recorded courses, but give that as free.
Okay.
Like what we are doing, DLCC 3.0 membership you take,
yes,
are given to you for free.
Yeah.
We are not selling the courses, we started off like that.
Yeah.
The market is changing and we are also changing along with it.
All the TLC 3 courses are available now, the moment you become a member, everything is.
Why we do that? Because we know more than 10% of them are not even completing the courses.
Yeah.
But still they want to learn. So that's the reason we created the circle membership, so that at least in the community we learn a lot.
Yes. And it is there as a resource, so they can, use it whenever they want to. And in the live, it doesn't happen again and again.
Yeah. So your live workshop that you're doing, you can record it and give it to them. You can give it to them. Hey, don't worry, even if you miss a session.
That will be a bonus. Yes. The end of it, they can have all the recordings.
Correct. But don't tell them in the beginning that I will record.
No. Then they will not even attend. They will not attend. Okay. Yeah, that can be done. Or maybe on the YouTube, the access can be there, perhaps. Correct. No, that would be very public, right? I mean, I don't think I should give it on YouTube.
Now you're thinking, where will I give them the recordings? That's a you have to ask the question, okay, if I record, how will I deliver the recordings to them?
Just email them the recordings, that's all, nothing else.
They will give it to anyone they want.
Yeah.
Then how will you protect it? How will you ensure that they don't share with everyone?
That is also there.
So how will you do that?
So like what you all have done in TLC, so we can do the same thing. I can do the same thing, right? I have access to that, but other people don't have access to it.
Right. So you open your own Teachable account and put everything there and give it to them, like how
Yeah,
you want TLC courses.
yeah. Okay, yeah. So that
For
can be
example,
done.
are you part of my Happiness University? No, no.
Happiness University? No.
No, so
Okay.
I have converted everything into a mobile app in my Happiness University. So at least in a TLC, I don't have a mobile app, but you know what?
No.
But I have created a mobile app for my Happiness University, and all the courses are inside the mobile app, Android or iOS. So
Okay.
inside,
Mhm.
so
All they have to do is just have that app
just
downloaded.
download the app and you attend that app. That's it. Every day you learn inside the app itself. Okay. So the recordings are available, learnings are available, all the courses are available. So that's also another way to deliver personally. But again, creating a mobile app and delivering little
It
technology.
depends on what level I reach up to that time. If I'm doing well, then yeah, these things I can think of.
Yeah,
But
but you have
if
to keep that in your mind that in the long term you have to go there.
yes, these things have to be, implemented.
Teachable is very good. Open up a Teachable account and just send in the login link. That's it. Done.
Okay.
Does it make sense?
Yes, it's
Hope I
making a
answered
lot
all
of
your
sense.
queries. Did I
I mean,
answer all your
I was thinking till now, entrepreneurs, mid-level professional, a separate thing for entrepreneurs, separate thing for professional. But now with this thing which you have said, job security coach or whatever, that makes a lot of sense because now I can just leave aside the entrepreneurs for the time being and then see how it goes for 1 year. I mean, for one circle, as you said, one round. And if it works out fine, why not just concentrate on them only?
correct?
Because as it is entrepreneurs, I have no experience. So because they have the money, I thought I would target it because ultimately money counts. So and Sudhir also said that you will find a lot of clients in BNI, for example. So I said okay, although I haven't joined BNI, so I was thinking on those lines, but then this is
BNI
also
still you
very
will
good.
get clients for this also. It doesn't mean that you will not get clients in BNI also. You'll go and get the clients for this kind of
For job security, yeah.
yeah, because they know a lot of companies with whom they are working. They can always recommend you to those employees.
Yeah.
And,
Oh, yeah. A
their
lot
neigh-
of networking goes on there. So,
their
yes.
neighbors are there who's working in a company. Their family members are there. Their friends are there. Their clients are there.
Yes.
Always that kind of referrals will always keep flowing.
So Guru, do you think I should join BNI? I mean, I was thinking TLC is enough, and now that we have Delhi Circle, so it's basically the same thing, isn't it? Or should I go ahead and join BNI also, just to expand my, for the time
What
being,
I
that
will suggest you is, see, TLC is more of a learning platform. Okay, so all of them are
yes,
together.
yes, yes,
But
yes.
BNI is a business platform for generating referrals for you. Okay? Both
Yeah,
are two different platforms. But
yeah,
I would suggest you to first get the product ready, the whole
yeah.
product, the whole product, your free, your
4 weeks,
your
6.
4 weeks course. You
Yes.
do one round first,
Okay.
your 4 weeks of acquisition product and your
Yeah.
12 weeks of main product,
Main product.
and
Yeah.
then your one-to-one coaching, at least get some few clients. Okay. Now
Okay.
you have the whole product pipeline with you. Now you can, since you know the whole product cycle, now you can talk confidently what exactly you can deliver.
Yeah. And then I can expand to those other.
And if someone says that can you do one-to-one coaching, go ahead and say yes to them.
Oh, even at the beginning, I can say yes to them.
Yeah, obviously.
Obviously, yeah, because they don't know about all these things. And I mean, one-to-one is always a good thing to do. I mean, that is what we have been doing. Up till now, we have been doing that only.
Correct.
Yeah.
So create a structure and template for your one-to-one coaching.
Okay.
Thereby, you know exactly that's your core product. Okay, that's your most expensive core product of yours, and rest is all is a layer which can takes your customers over there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you have to create a good coaching product of 12 weeks curriculum or 4 weeks, 8 weeks, and 12 weeks. Create a one-to-one coaching curriculum.
Okay. For 12 weeks, for 8 weeks, and for 4 weeks, depending on the
You
client.
don't know
Yeah.
who's going to ask you what.
For what? Yeah. Okay. Okay. I'll do that. I'll do that. And can I show it to you maybe through email? Yeah, okay. Because that way, I'll be very sure about it, what I have done. So I can get some
Don't worry,
feedback.
you are going to mess it up. You're going to make some mistake.
Yeah.
Others will never know. Only you know it. Okay. But
Only I'll know. And these were the things that were playing on my mind. What exactly to do, whether to target entrepreneurs or professionals. And now you have made it so much clear. I mean, that, okay, do this, and in a systematic manner. So now I can go ahead with it. I have a lot of things in my mind, but then how to structure it, that was lacking. So that is also there. Plus my branding, job security coach, so that also has changed right now. So that sounds very, that's very catchy and it's very mysterious. Okay, what exactly is she going to teach in that? So that that is also very good. Yeah, thank you so much for that. So
I hope all your queries are now answered now.
yeah, more or less. And actually, I was not very, very fast about completing my TLC level 3 because I'm also working. So, of course, right now it's all online. I am a career counselor as well. But this career counseling, I don't want to do into, I don't want to, I just want to keep it separate. I don't want to include it into my coaching because it does not fit.
Have a goal and target and write your book also. Since you are in level 3 in TLC, you are
Yes.
in the author success program. And see
Mm-hmm.
how you can write a book for those young professionals of how they can get a high paying job.
Okay. Okay.
So
And
write
there the career counseling thing can also come in,
You
because
can
we
write
keep guide.
anything. You can
Yeah.
do anything in that. But again, now since you are an author, people will have more respect on you. If you have written a book, when you say that I'm an author and
Mm-hmm.
I'm a coach, help you to get a high paying job, so it becomes very easy. Probably you can write a book on high paying jobs. How do you land on high paying jobs?
Yes. Yes. Okay. So I'll do that.
When can you publish your book then? Fix a date. When is your
Okay.
when is your
Yeah.
when is your birthday coming up? Birth date.
19th July.
Okay,
That's
just
a long way off.
launch on that day. That's it. That's
Lunch on that day. Okay, okay. Done. Done. And it gives me 6 months of time. So that's enough time. People are writing books in 1 month. 1 month. Sudhir told me he wrote in 3 days or something. So yeah.
You can write in 100 days itself. You don't need that much time. But just if you want to gift yourself the best birthday gift, go ahead and write a book and publish it
Okay.
on that day.
Okay. That's a good thing. I mean, you have suggested, and that's my promise to you. I will do that. 19th July, I'll do that. Yeah. Okay.
You should go ahead and maybe share these information with your circle members and see they will also get inspired and motivated.
Yeah. So, sir, you can share the recording. I mean, if you want.
I can post it in our YouTube channel. I can post it in our Teachable for everyone to also get an idea of how whole thing can be structured. If you're okay with it, I can share with everyone.
And sir, this hackathon for which I have been honored with your advice, sir. This meeting. So this hackathon is about books, book reviews, book summaries, and which I love reading and I love writing. So how can this be made into a resource? For example, can I just club them together and give them through emails or something? Because it is not really fitting into my job security coach, that angle. So then how do I make use of it? Or as a bonus or something?
See, basically, if someone has to develop their mindset, they need to read a lot.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Reading also.
And vocabulary, language skills, they have to read a
Now you
lot.
now you know when
Yeah.
presentation
Yeah.
yourself.
Yes.
So you can actually read the book along with them.
Okay.
Read a book along with them. You open the book and read it along
Portion.
with them.
Readings. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
So let them read along with you so that the diction, the language, the
Mm-hmm.
pronunciation, you can use the book as a resource
Mm-hmm.
to teach pronunciation.
And also these are all inspirational books, no? Like we have been only focusing on inspirational books. So that again
So
is a,
your whole YouTube channel can be on this topic alone. Just reading one
yeah.
chapter with pronunciation and then telling them why am I telling you so that you'll get a job very effectively.
Okay. Yeah. And then at the same time, your mindset, that winning attitude is being developed. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So yes, that way the hackathon, because you had said in one of these Q&A weekly webinars that all these hackathons will serve as your resources.
Correct.
So the interviews, of course, are serving. Facebook Lives are very good. So I was thinking how to make use of these this bookathon, readathon, and how to incorporate. So as you said, it can be a podcast or it can be a YouTube, anything,
Correct. Any which way.
any which way. Yeah. Okay, so many ideas I'm getting today. So this is why,
Now
no?
let's start implementing it and
Yes.
get the
Yes.
maximum benefit out of all these things.
Okay, sir. And I will, when I make my course, I will just send it to you just for a quick feedback, perhaps. Yeah. Okay.
Absolutely. No problem. Done. I will do that.
Okay, done. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you,
Thank you. Thank
Gurumurli.
you, Seema. Thank you.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you again.